Hey, 55 guys, check it out. Now we at Dan's. We're at the skateboard park. Mark gotta get another shot real quick, a little bit. Oh, show him the hat real quick, Mark. We ain't playing with nobody. Why y'all stop getting my stuff, man? I got it on the page for y'all to get it. I need help. I need some money. My income stopped. Y'all gotta buy my merch for me real quick for a little bit. Get the merch. Get the hats. We got the merch. We got the hats. Dan busy. Look, he working today. He got the ladder. What? What Tony doing here?
We gotta lock into the. We gotta lock into that.
Yeah. Like, is there a way just to do like maybe 2 sides?
Here's a little bit, guys. And Mad Max clean cousin. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm doing bad right now, but when I get right, we come to get 1, 2, and the other one.
One more piece of order before I can do it. Cool. They're all the same diameter, right? A little bit?
They would have did good on the trail today.
I'm wondering if I can reuse one of these holes.
Oh, God, guys. I could be like Tony out that joint. Look at those wheels on this guy. What is this, a high trail, buddy?
Yeah, it is.
High trail?
Yep.
Man. Do they got the high, lows, and fast
Yes.
speeds?
Yep. Yep. High, low, and open.
Whoa, what you guys doing?
It's an axial.
What they doing, guys? Oh, I can drive it. I can drive it. I can drive it, guys. How you release it? Mark, release this top for me real quick for a little bit. He gonna let me drive.
I believe you, man.
Look on the inside. Flip the car back over. What's holding it? Oh, it's in the back. It's Velcro.
Oh. Oh, yeah, you're right. That's a good idea, actually.
The Velcro?
Well, kind of. It's hard to do.
Yeah. It ain't coming off.
I was amazed when you bought it.
Here, hold the camera for me real quick for a little bit.
Same ESC. No,
You guys just Velcro.
Same ESC, change the motor once. You can't beat that car. Dude, I just drove it for 2 hours straight just now.
Got that?
Yeah. It was Velcro.
Yeah, I put the interior
You didn't know that?
dash light.
No,
thought you knew
I didn't know that. That's
You
new.
knew all this.
We went on.
Indeed.
Turn it on.
Okay.
We just did a
Well, track is better. You just plug it in, it's already on.
150
Yes.
feet.
I like the Velcro. What you think about the Velcro?
I'm not a fan.
I'm not a fan either. It was terrible.
Not a fan.
This is
We still crawling, guys. We just left the park.
There we go.
We're at the bike park just now. Oh, no. Let me see what he's doing on my boat. My boat is ugly.
today for the first time. I didn't realize that.
Whoa, you see, he got power.
Yeah. And I actually used it today.
Let me climb up Mark's boat. Hey, can I get your boot? Hey, buddy, come over here. Give me your shoe. Where you at, buddy? Give me your shoe.
There you go.
Oh, put it on me real quick a little bit, Mark. Cut it. Hey, man, 55, gotta check it out. You said a Mini Max?
Yeah, that ain't available even yet. I mean,
What?
it's Friday.
That's
Coming Friday.
Tony. All right, Tony's out, guys. Thanks for hanging, Tony. Hold on, you missed my hand pump. Boom.
Man, that's that 2.5 hour walk, bro.
I know. I want to see that thing. Can we see it? Can we see it? You're going to give it to us, guys.
Can you touch it?
Yeah, can we touch it? Look at that thing, man.
It's exactly the same as the
That's X-Max Baby. That's Mad Max Baby, guys. Look at Mad Max Baby. I'm gonna need your help, Mark.
Yeah.
So when we look at this thing, I'm gonna need you to take the top off. I don't want to. Look at that. Do not convey to customer before. You cannot get this.
Yeah.
You cannot get it
So Black Friday.
to Black Friday. I'm about to go holler at my peoples, man. All my income stopped, guys, for a couple months. I need everybody help. Buy my merch, please, so I can stay alive. Look at this. All right, open the top. I think it's the same way, clipless. Yeah,
How do you do it?
right up underneath. Kind of feel. Trax has got the same kind of clip system.
Yeah, but I never messed
Flip it over.
I never messed with the clip.
Yeah.
You have this. I have clip.
Oh, there you go. Here, hold it for me real quick for a little bit. Hold it for me. And it's solid. Oh, yeah. It's solid, dude. This Mad Max Baby, we need him home. And I need a new RC. Whoa. Look on the inside of that joint, guys. Here, let me hold that joint, Mark. The new Mini Max. That's crazy.
Tough this is.
It's tough, man. I'm going right to the skateboard park with this joint.
Oh yeah.
Sweet, guys. Mini Max. It's the Mini X Max. They cutting up, and this thing is solid. I gotta have it. Anything Max is the best product you can get. It ain't come out yet, guys.
Wednesday.
Wednesday, something?
Wednesday. Okay.
They moved it up 2 days.
Curtis.
Moved it up to okay.
Curtis, will we be able to use your yard and rent a car sometimes?
Our yard.
Right in the back.
Well, we could usually run next door because it's bigger.
Okay, yeah.
It's not very big back
I
there.
know. Just little jumps, little stuff. But this thing is sweet, guys. Thanks for letting us look it over, man. Let's put the top back on real quick for a little bit. I think it's this way.
Yep. Line up and snap. We're gonna throw the tag up in there.
Boom. Wednesday, we can get it, guys. We ain't playing with nobody. Cut it. Here, man, 5-5, guys. Check it out. Hey, Corey. I had to record this for you, Corey. The trains real quick for a little bit. They coming back around, Corey. They on the ceiling with it, though, Corey. And this is a RC store. They not touching you. That's why you got the best trains in the world. He got the best trains. Corey already got them. They ain't playing with nobody, guys. Cut that joint.